Want to earn big, work from anywhere, and build powerful brands online? Digital marketing is a skill that can make that happen, and you can start today even with zero experience. Choosing to learn digital marketing is one of the smartest moves you can make right now. Every business, small or global, needs visibility online, and digital marketers are the engine that drives that visibility. You will always be in high demand. But what is digital marketing really about? It's all about using tools like Google, social media, email, and content to help businesses grow and succeed. You're not just selling, you're building communities, growing brands, and making real impacts. Top digital marketers use AI tools to create powerful content, automate campaigns, and reach the right audience faster. With AI on your side, even beginners can create expert-level results. This is the future, and the future is now. Let's talk about career opportunities as a digital marketer. From Abuja to New York, job roles in digital marketing are exploding. You can become an SEO expert, that is search engine optimization, a social media manager, paid ad specialist, email marketer, and AI marketing consultant. You can freelance, work remotely, or start your own agency. The opportunities are endless. To become a pro in digital marketing, you need to master the following: digital marketing strategy basics, search engine optimization, social media and influencer marketing, email campaign and automation, content creation and copywriting, AI in digital marketing, analytics and conversion tracking, and yes, you build real campaigns before you graduate. At Bizmarrow Technologies, we don't just teach, we prepare you for success with practical hands-on training, a personal trainer assigned to you for mentoring and coaching, real-life projects before graduation, not a crowded classroom. We keep our classrooms small size for full attention, online and physical classes available, flexible payment plan to fit your budget. We make world-class digital skills accessible to you. And here is the best part: you don't need a degree to get started. If you have one, that's great. What really matters is the right set of training. What are you waiting for? Why not visit Bizmarrow Technologies to register for digital marketing today? Delay is dangerous. Your journey to a successful tech career begins with Bizmarrow Technologies. Let's build your future together. Bye.